Hello, welcome back to this week's He Whakakorio. This week's kiwaha is Wehi, which means oh my gosh. Check out some of these videos.
Guys, I'm going to kick this rugby ball all the way to the netball hoop without it hitting the ground on the full. You wish! Watch me then!
Wehi, oh my god!
Those are just beautiful hair ties.
Soon these hair ties could be yours. They'll be available at the bake sale. Wehi, oh my gosh!
Kids, come on. Today we're going to make an antivirus for COVID-19 and I'm a professional scientist.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Okay, first we need to add this magical liquid to the secret solution.
Now we're going to add this fairy dust to the solution. The riddle has been said. I wonder how you could use Wehi in your words. Wehi, oh my gosh! See you next time!